Welcome back to Diecast Speedway, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. I would like to start off by saying thank you to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ, for going to the cross for us, for his love, his sacrifice, and his grace. Now let's continue with the show. Let's get it out of the box and onto the turntable. And wow, look at this legendary 1957 Chevrolet Corvette. Bright, bold, and clean, letting you know right away this is a classic American icon. That deep, glossy red paint with the white side coves is just pure Corvette history right there. This color combo is timeless, and Jada really nailed the finish on this one. Check out that low stance, too. It sits aggressive, giving it that custom street look while still honoring the classic body lines of the 57. Up front, you've got that iconic Corvette grille with the chrome teeth, clean headlights, and that sharp emblem sitting right on the hood. Everything is nicely detailed and really pops under the light. The chrome wheels are shining, wrapped in low-profile tires, and they give this classic a modern muscle twist. The reflection off those rims is crazy clean. Along the side, the white insert panel with the fuel injection badge is a perfect touch. That was a huge deal back in 1957, and Jada made sure to include it. Let's open the doors and look inside. Red interior to match the exterior with bucket seats, detailed steering wheel, dashboard, and pedals. Even at 1/24 scale, they didn't skip on the details. It feels like a tiny showroom Corvette sitting right here. Now let's pop the hood and look at that chrome engine setup. Everything under here is shining. The intake, the pipes, the detailing. Jada made this engine bay a real highlight. It's flashy and perfect for display. And around back, the trunk opens up too, giving you that extra realism. It's clean, deep, and adds another level of authenticity to this model. From the back, you've got those classic taillights and smooth curves that made the 57 Corvette so iconic. The body lines just flow perfectly. This 1957 Corvette from Jada's BigTime Muscle series is a straight-up classic. The color combo, the chrome, the opening features, and the overall stance make this one a must-have for any Corvette fan or diecast collector. So that's all we have for today, folks. But stay tuned for next time. We'll be showing this 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air from Jada's BigTime Muscle. You won't want to miss it. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, go and cruise on over to our other videos right here on Diecast Speedway, where we do all the unboxing so you don't have to. Whether it's classic muscle, modern rides, or something in between, we've got you covered. So until next time, keep diecasting and God bless.